Hi everybody, this is second lesson to how to use Burpsuite. As you can see, we haven't any scanner or spider in this version. This is Burpsuite Community Edition, and Burpsuite has second Pro version. In Pro version you can scan and spider website. How it's possible to use free version and to activate spider and scan option. We can use ZAP Proxy. This is a free program. This tool, you can, if you haven't any ZAP on your Kali machine, you can see our video how to install ZAP to Kali Linux. What we do, as you can see, our proxy is 8081. It's a normal because 88 use Burpsuite. And what we do, we open our Firefox. When we click on this button, it may be something slowly because this Firefox is not the same. We write vulnerability. First of all, unit intercept is on. After vulnerability.com, we click on this and wait. Yes, we catch this. We go to the Burpsuite. We see vulnerability.com. We add to scope. It's on scope 2 just now. Okay. And what we do, just click right button, attack, and we can use active scan. When we click to active scan, and when we started to scan this, every links go to here too. Just very simple. Yes, it's very difficult because it's not only in Burpsuite, and we need use second tool to listen and catch some information. But if you haven't any money to buy, or you want to only to testing, scanning, spidering, you can use this way. It's not difficult, it's very easy, but you need a powerful computer. If you like our video lessons, please click to like button, share and follow. Subscribe to our channel. See you on the next videos.